Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin mong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito sa forecast ni Bitwise dito kay Bitcoin para sa taong 2024. Kung saan ay yung kanilang forecast ay aakyatin daw po ni Bitcoin ang presyong $80,000. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, per Bitwise Asset Management, 2024 predictions include Bitcoin reaching unprecedented heights with a new all-time high. Ayan, ayon daw po kay Bitwise ay sa taong ito na 2024, ayan, ang paparating na taong 2024 ay magkakaroon daw po or magsiset daw po ng panibagong all-time high na presyo si Bitcoin. The December 13 post on X suggests that the spot Bitcoin ETF is anticipated to be the most successful ETF launch ever, launching the cryptocurrency to potentially $80,000. Coinbase is projected to experience a remarkable doubling of its revenue. Kaya ayan. Yung parang isang matinding magdudulot po kasi rito ay yung spot Bitcoin ETF. Yan, na inaasahan po. At ito raw po yung most successful raw na ETF launch ever. Kaya yan, ito yung magdudulot sa kakayahan ni Bitcoin para akyatin ang presyong $80,000. Kaya yan, Bitcoin's new peak. Ryan Rasmussen, Senior Crypto Research Analyst at Bitwise Asset Management, shares in the first of 10 predictions that Bitcoin would reach a new all-time high. Ayan. Si Ryan Rasmussen po, siya po ang research analyst. Ayan, isa po siyang senior na crypto research analyst. Veterano po siguro ito kasi ibig sabihin kung pag senior ay talagang marami na po itong experience. Ayan, senior research analyst at isa po siya ang asset management ng Bitwise. Ayan, yung kanyang siya po yung naglabas ng kanyang prediction na si Bitcoin ay magkakaroon po ito ng panibagong all-time high. This ascent is attributed to two key factors: the imminent introduction of a spot Bitcoin ETF in early 2024 and the scheduled halving of new Bitcoin supply by the end of April. Kaya ayan din po yung kanyang pinakabasihan dito kung na kanyang ginamit na bilang basihan yung approval ng spot Bitcoin ETF at saka yung paparating na Bitcoin halving dito sa buwan ng April, yan, next year. Kaya ayan, alam na po ng lahat to, ng matagal na pong alam ng lahat ito yung dalawang catalyst na ito. Yan, na siyang magpropel or magpapalipad sa market price ni Bitcoin. And the second forecast focuses on the approval and subsequent success of spot Bitcoin ETF, which are projected to collectively achieve the title of the most triumphant ETF launch in history. Over the next 5 years, these ETF are estimated to secure 1% of the $7.2 trillion US ETF market, amounting to $72 billion in asset under management. Another Bitwise prediction suggests that Coinbase revenue will increase twofolds, exceeding Wall Street projection by a minimum of 10 times. The basis for this expectation lies in historical trends where Coinbase experiences heightened trading volume during bullish market phases. Ayan. Lalago na rin daw po si Coinbase. Ayan, yung kanilang revenue ay madodoble. Ayon po rito sa prediction ng Bitwise. At mahihigitan daw po niya si Wall Street. Ayan. Kaya magkakaroon daw po kasi ng matinding trading volume itong si Coinbase. At madalas po kasi itong mangyari kung pagsapit ng mga bull market. And the thread follows up with the prediction that more financial transactions will be settled during stable coins than Visa. Stable coins considered one of crypto scaler apps. have burgeoned from virtually zero to $137 billion market over the past 4 years. The forecast for 2024 anticipates continued substantial growth in the utilization of stable coins, surpassing traditional payment methods such as Visa. Kaya yan, mahihigitan raw po ng stable coins yung Visa. Ayan. Kaya magiging matindi na rin yung mga stable coins entering crypto spring. These predictions align closely with an earlier interview from Bitwise Chief Investment Officer Matt Hogan on December 6, in which he anticipates short-term volatility following this year's significant surge, a forecast that aligns with the outlook for new all-time highs for Bitcoin within the next 6 to 12 months. And additionally, the CIO declares the conclusion of the crypto bear market, often referred to as crypto winter, and the transition to what he defines as a crypto spring. Ayan. $80,000 yung kanyang prediction dito sa taong 2024, si Ryan Rasmussen. Kaya ayan, may iba't iba po talaga yung mga prediction. Meron pang analyst na nakapag-predict na $100,000. Meron ding $150,000 at meron pang $200,000. Yan yung pinakamataas po na prediction na mula sa isang kilalang market analyst ay aabot raw po ng $500,000. Kaya yan po yung mga predictions. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na aking pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.